Joshua Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Passport EXL. This vehicle does have LED daytime running lights. You'll have 20-inch rims, keyless entry, as well as remote start. You'll have memory settings for the 10-way power seat, which includes lumbar support. This vehicle does come equipped with the Honda Sensing Suite. You'll have the adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, road departure mitigation, and forward collision braking system. You'll have the paddle shifters. You'll have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Be able to Bluetooth your phone in as well as use it for audio. You'll have dual climate control, heated front seats. You'll also have a USB and power port. Additional USB and power port in the center console. A sunroof. Place to store your sunglasses with the built-in mirror. You'll have the garage door buttons. You'll have the power ports down there for USB, the all-weather cargo mat, a capless fuel filler, you'll also have a power tailgate. The vehicle does come equipped with a backup camera with 3 different views. You'll have storage compartment under here and the spare tire. You'll be able to fold the seats down with the push of the button. Push button close. This is the 2019 Honda Passport EXL here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.